All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is from ALIPEARL hair. So inside you'll receive a couple things: a brush, wig cap, and a storage bag for your wig. And here is the wig that I'm working with today. All right, so this is a 5x5 body wave closure wig. It's in 24 inches and it's 180% density. So with it being a closure wig, you don't have to worry about the sides. Your only parting space is going to be right in the middle. And it did come pre-plucked, so I decided not to pluck this. And of course, this is the hair, but I did go ahead and bleach the knots and wash the hair prior to installing, which is right here. So this is the hair, still a little damp, but I did bleach the knots. So I'm just gonna go right on in and just add a little foundation to this lace. So a closure wig is going to be really great for those who have never worn wigs before. You're just starting to get into wigs, so super beginner friendly. And for those who just don't want to spend all the time in the maintenance on keeping like a full 13x4 or 13x6 lace front, together, because it does require a little bit more maintenance than, of course, a closure would. So this wig didn't really fit me all the way, so I am using the combs that come on the side of the wig, and I'm just using my regular freeze spray. And I did do 2 layers of this freeze spray because it doesn't fit, and I wanted to make sure it did not come up or it stayed put. So I did 2 layers of freeze spray, blow dried those down, and then of course I went on ahead and applied my wig as normal. So as far as the install goes, it probably took me about 5 minutes, you guys, just to, apply the wig to my head. And then I went on ahead and blow dried the rest of this hair on cool. I typically air dry, but I just went on ahead and just lightly blow dried the rest of it. And then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to style it. I'm going to do a middle part, but I'm going to show you how much space you have to part. So I'm going to just show you a side first. And this little piece right here, I just forgot to cut. It's really like the lace, a little bit of the lace where the cap and the lace and all that kind of stuff meet. You can go ahead and cut that little part off if you want. If you don't, then it's all good. You see, I didn't, and it ended up coming out nicely. So I'm gonna show you guys from here to about 1 inch. That's where I would do a side part. So you don't get a super deep side part with a closure wig. And in my opinion, a closure wig is really for like middle parts. I think they look best on middle parts. I personally like to tuck my hair behind my ear, and I just don't think that looks right. So I went on ahead and I almost always do a middle part when it comes to a closure wig. And really, it just hides the sides for me, and the fact that this wig didn't really fit me that well. A middle part was perfect, and it ended up doing the trick anyways. So I'm just gonna add some baby hair to this, some long adolescent hair, because I just could not get it together this go around, you guys. I was really struggling with these big old scissors. I can't find my scissors, but I did find a new foaming lotion wrap, whatever you want to call it. I love this one from Design Essentials. This is only my 2nd time using it, and typically I can really tell if I'm in love with something after like the 1st or 2nd go around. And I knew after I tried this one like last week, I was gonna be in love with it. Now it does give a pretty strong hold, but if you either don't like to keep redoing your hair over and over, or you live, like where I live, where heat and humidity have already arrived, then something like this may be good for you. So I did catch this on sale. I can't remember how much it was, but I got it off of Amazon. So you guys know I will leave the link to it in my Amazon store. In fact, pretty much everything that I use in most of my hair videos will be in my Amazon store. So check that out if you have not already. And yeah, let's keep it moving. All right, y'all, so this is how we're looking after we let everything set and dry. And then next I'm just gonna go in and put some curls in this wig. I really didn't want anything like super tight. I really just wanted some super soft like curls, waves, whatever you want to call it. So first I'm just gonna take my hot comb right here just to kind of flatten out the top, and then I'm gonna go in with my Baby Bliss what do you call it, flat iron, and add some big curls to this hair. So as far as ALIPEARL goes, as far as the company goes, I've worked with them so many times, and if you have DM'd me, emailed me, whatever, you know I have definitely given out tons and tons of advice or suggestions saying go for ALIPEARL first. They have always been, for maybe about 2 years now, one of my top companies that I love, and it's because the quality hair is just so great. The wigs are great, but the hair, the hair really like sets them apart, and I can always tell the difference when it comes to ALIPEARL and their hair. And I think when I did this wig, I probably got like 3 strands or so, maybe 4, I don't know, that I actually noticed that came out. The quality is just great. You don't get tangles, shedding, all that crap you don't have to worry about. And I don't know, I've said it before and I'll say it again, that this is some really great quality hair. So if you're in the market for something that's gonna last you a little bit longer and you're willing to pay a little bit more, but not too much, a little bit more for it, I highly suggest going that route and really looking into ALIPEARL, this wig, and all my other videos that I've done for them as well. All right, so we're finishing up this look. Just going to comb these out with my hands, and then I'm going to take my black Denman brush and really brush these curls out. Like I said, I really wasn't looking for any defined curls. I just wanted a little bit more movement, which I got. You guys, look at this hair. It's super soft. I love it. It's 24 inches, so it's going to be perfect for the summer whenever we can get out and enjoy the summer. Let me not even get into that. But as for now, we're just going to chill on the inside and, you know, live our best indoor life. So yeah, you guys, just add a little bit of hairspray, and then I'm just going to define my part, of course, with some powder, and then that was pretty much it, and lift up my little baby hairs as well. Don't forget to do that. They don't necessarily have to be stuck and glued to your head, so I'll be doing that at the end. Don't forget to check the description box for all the info on this wig that I have, and of course everything that you saw in this video, all the products and tools and stuff will be linked again in my Amazon store. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.